This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC. Let's do the sound check again, see if that fixed the problem. Let's do the sound check again, see if that fixed the problem. It looks like it fixed the problem. Let's close it before we have echo. Okay. Very rare. I'm starting off with zeros. I didn't trade at all in the evening, didn't do anything. Coffee is spectacular this morning. I hope it doesn't agitate my cough. I reminded myself of my risk plan. I'm going to do it one more time. I think it's 1, 2, 4, and 6, and I got to trade more accounts. I just didn't do enough yesterday. You can't be just trading one account. What's the point of having multiple accounts if you're just going to trade one account? I have an open window. I'm going to go and close it. Give me a second. Open windows are good, but mostly in the summer. Okay, I got my mouse back. I threw away the other one. Too much trouble to return it. In the garbage. So 1, 2, 4, 6 is my size, depending on the account that I'm trading. And tomorrow I start with the trade copier. I want to see if some code that I wrote works. So I'm going to open something up for a second. Oh, I can do it myself actually. Excellent. Docs, chat. Another screen open. And let's try something. See if it works. It worked. Okay, I got my answer. I'm ready to look at things. So that's on. Didn't have that on. That's okay. I don't even know what it's doing right now. Good. We're all good. Let's start our morning analysis. 9:15. See where the markets have been overnight, but I can already see they're up. Wow, look at those. We don't need those anymore, eh? You know what? Let's just remove all drawings. It's easier. Instead of doing one at a time, remove all drawings. Are you sure you want to remove all drawings? Yes. Click here. Docs. Next step, after the 15-minute, what do we do? Oh. We swept both sides of the Asian session. Interesting. Well, that leads me to believe that we're going to sweep the Asia session lows again at some time during the day, during the US session. That is a high probability event, close to 80%. We're going to mark that with a horizontal line. Blue is not the color I want to use. We're going to make it red. Properties. Let's get a dark color for this. Let's get orange red and make it a 5. So 80% chance we're revisiting 20,330, which is only 100 points away, not too far. Aside from that, which is a contradiction, I'm bullish. We are opening up, so maybe there's going to be a gap fill, but we're also opening above the previous day's high, which is this green dash line. And on the, okay, it's not over here, but on the 30-minute, we have a level marked off. I think it was at 450. Did it disappear? Oh, this is the 15. Sorry, I didn't go to the 30. Looks like it disappeared. Oh, no, it didn't. We got through it. No, that's the line I just put in. It was here, 2450. So we're right at it. Yeah, it's true. Okay, I remember. I'm going to put in another line now. I don't know why I did remove all drawings. That's why. So we had selling come in at this level twice. Once over here and once over here. Yes, it acted as support over here and maybe over here, but I don't like using support as resistance or previous support as resistance. I like to see it act as resistance on the most recent touches, and that's what we have over here. Actually, this fall was pretty significant right after that touch. So that level is a little over 20,450, just about 24 points away. So just be wary of that area. You know, we kind of break, you know, if we're looking, where is the liquidity? Where is the market going to be drawn to? Where do people have their stops? Obviously, if some people are trading and going to be fading these two areas, we can assume that there's a pile of stops in that area over there. There's going to be some liquidity over there, definitely. Nothing's a guarantee, but that's definitely, I would say, the most likely target in the morning. Maybe a little bit of a fake out. Half fill the gap. Let's put in the gap. So let's say come down to 20,400. Shoot higher, and then who knows. So I'm going to put that in as my projection for today. That's my hypo number one. Hypo, short for hypothesis. Pretentious, eh? Arrow line, vertical line, horizontal line, extended line, ray. I don't know, path. I need path, control 4. So I think we come down to here, and then we shoot to there. What we do after that, I have no idea. But I'm thinking that's the most likely result of the open. Take a look at what gold's doing. $30.27, pulling back a little. Nothing too aggressive. Opening drive is ready to go on Sim 102, right? Let me just confirm that. With the dark green on black. I wish we could change that. I should Google it and see. You know what? I have to ask ChatGPT. Are we in picture-in-picture? No, we're not. Let me change picture-in-picture. Okay, so 30.26, crude. Crude's still climbing. Bitcoin. Gotta say, I'm surprised to see that under 90,000. But then again, these are the futures. Wow, just look at this 5-minute chart. Look at all the holes in trading. There's just no volume in Bitcoin. 2,000 contracts. That's crazy. Bitcoin, bye-bye. I'm not even wasting my time on that. We do have a long trade that might be getting stopped out. Let me see. Oh, so hard to tell. Data box. We got to be breaking the high. The high was 65 of this candle, the inside bar, and the high was 65. No, so we have a short trade. Let's mark it off. So technically you should be short at 55 with a target. It's a 14-point target. Volatility, I guess, is a little bit low in crude these days. Do I have an ATR 1.52? No, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good range. I was trading crude a couple of years back, and the range was less than $1. It was terrible. It was like 60 cents. So let's remember, let's summarize. A potential pullback under the previous day's high to the 20,400. Make people think we're going to trade lower, fill the gap, psych them out, then go take out that level at 20,470. Does it mean it's going to happen? Absolutely not. Let's get in a couple of trend lines. Good morning. OFT, marking off my levels. I'm thinking we do this morning. I know it's a little bit predictive of me, but we got that level of 20,470. If I show you on the 30-minute, we the blue line 20,480. We traded lower twice when we hit it back in March. Where my cursor is, we came down, went back up, and then we had a hard sell-off. So I'm thinking this blue line could definitely be a little bit of a resistance, maybe even a good fade trade. And on the 15-minute chart, I'm marking off here the Asian session lows because we have an 80% chance we're going to hit that today again. We swept the lows, we swept the highs. When we sweep both sides in the London session, there's an 80% probability we go back to the Asian session lows during the US session. So watching out for those two things. And hopefully going to trade a little more aggressively today. Take bigger size and rotate my accounts better. I didn't rotate my accounts well yesterday. Actually, I was trading a 250K account with two micros. That was a little, I found that a little stupid. The algo trader we are not going to enable yet. You know what? We will. We will. And I'll tell you why. Because they're both on sim, so it doesn't matter. The last trade that I see in the algo trader was the short over here. Long, it didn't take a trade. 2-bar retrace, we didn't get a continuation bar. 2-bar pullback, 2-bar retrace over here. Short. Would have gone long over here and would have got stopped out. Good morning, Joker. A little bit of crosswinds today again that I'm seeing, so it's going to be cautious trading again today. But I will be raising my size and trading more accounts. Did I hear you had a... Did I hear wrong? How many accounts do you have, Joker? Just curious. I know I heard you mention it on the... I heard you mentioning it on the stream. Is it possible I heard you say you had like 30 or something like that? Does that make sense? Good morning, James. It's full house. $31. And when you trade them, do you trade just one account? Is that the theory that you plan on doing and then rotate the other, or are you copy trading? I may have asked you these questions. I'm an old man, I forget. And James, if you have anything up on gold, I'm just trying to get back into trading gold. So if you have like a bias on gold, let me know. Because I traded gold yesterday and I was taking trades on both sides of the market and I didn't like it. Also, I traded too aggressively. I was trading 10 lots. I didn't even realize it. I mean, I realized it, but I didn't realize it was the wrong size. So yeah, James, if you have a bias, let me know. Nothing short term. 2 minutes. That was the 20. That was the 2-minute warning there for the what do they call it there? The imbalance. It comes out at 9:28. Market on open imbalance report. I said I think we are going to come down to 400, do a little bit of a fake out to just get under the previous day's high, and then trade higher. And there we are. We're at the 400 already. Let's get on to the opening drive. We'll watch it. This is a kind of bad opening for the opening drive, because if the second candle gets under the price channel, we're selling already after a bit of a dump. Anyways, it is what it is. We can't pick and choose our entries. I think it's the second day in a row that the overnights are long. There we are, we're under. I would much like to see us kind of just consolidate here and then the opening drive go for a long trade. I'm going to get ready to take a trade. 222. Well, I'll tell you in a couple of seconds here. I got to see what the next candle does. Maybe I should let 2 minutes pass instead of trading the open. I mean, the spreads are okay, but I'm going to get a long. You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it because I like to trade the open if I get a long, but I'm only going to take a 2 lot. I'll get back to my normal size, and this will be my warm-up trade. I should be long at 400. Instead, I'm long at 403. So, unfortunately for me, first trade, and I have a poor entry. $12. There we go. 12. I was laughing because we hit my first take profit, and I wasn't even ready to take it. So if I look at my 15, so far I've predicted it pretty closely there, huh? Look at that. Now I think we're going to go up. This is pre-market prediction, baby. If we get a 10-point retrace, I'm clicking close. Not even. There we go. Close. Shitty. See, that's why I like to take profits. That one didn't go too far, though. I made a mistake. I realized what my mistake was. But that's okay. I exited on the wrong chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I need another 3 minutes consolidation for the opening drive, and then I'll be comfortable with that trade. Oh, it's true. I said I was going to take that one for a 2 lot. Okay, it's good to see it didn't go anywhere. The algo trader's not getting the trade. We can mark off this trend line here. We don't need this one anymore. And don't need this one anymore either. We really only have one to work with, and that's if we break to the upside. I do have a long. It's at 10. I'm in at 05, so that's good. I'm happy. Better price. But it's an early entry on my system. So my entry on my system is we got to get to 19. If we can get to 19 and hold 19, that would be good. I want to see us get to 19. Actually, if we can get to 19 and hold, I'll add. If we get to 95, I'm done. 95 and hold, that means we're so close. It's got to get to 95 and trade there for at least a second. My finger's on the close button, and that's it. I'm out. It might trigger me in long again. Really? Did I miss that? That was an up bar. Sold short. Which one sold short? Sim 101. Sim 101 went short. The algo went short. So when this bar closes, the algo will, since we touched the take profit line, it waits for the bar to close, and then it gets out. This is kind of a bad place to take an entry, even though I got a what I call an early signal, so I'm getting out of that. Because it's at the US session lows, and often we just poke through the US session lows. Let's just go back to the opening drive. Let's see what the opening drive is going to do. The opening drive is going to go short if this candle closes under the price channel. Hit the like button, guys, if you're in the room. How close are we to coming down to that 2330 level? I guess looking at the 15-minute is the best chart to look at. But we're still trading inside that range of what I marked off, and I do think we might make a run. You know what? We can make a run for either one. Either one is a draw. We got VWAP, previous day's close, Asian session lows. I'm not even going to form a bias and say that I think we're going to go up first. Doesn't even matter what I think. Just trade the charts. And right now my charts are saying short and full size. So let's get down to 05. Let's get down to 91 and hold. Come on, give me a trade that I didn't go in for full size. Full size is a 6 lot on this account. I'm a little bit still undersized. My PDLL on this account is $500. It's a 250K account. And my target is around $500 for the day. So like I said, I got to start trading it larger. It's 940 already. We got the previous day's high above us, so hopefully that acts as a little bit of a support. I mean a resistance. Gets the sellers coming back in. We're trying. I mean, the sellers keep coming in. We're getting close to that 91. I got to see 91 hit and hold. 94. Where's the bids? 94, 93. I like calling them out. It seems to work when I call them out. Nah, not this time. 98, 97, 01. Going the wrong way. My stop is at 10, 410. Wow, that's 17 points. Well, it is what it is. Market showing weakness, though. Seeing some candles there, seeing some wicks. I mean, on the top, we got the first inside bar. We broke above that to the upside. No, we didn't. We had the first inside bar. I got to set an audio alert on that. The first inside bar was to the downside. Didn't even catch that. Coming back to 91. I'm eager to add to my position right here, but I have no reason to be doing that, so I'm not going to do it. We got to stick to the rules. Don't want to have an 8 lot and lose on that in the wrong direction so early in the morning. Coming back. 20,400. There you go. You see, the time I add, it fucking breaks. Unfucking believable. And that's the 3 stop. Unbelievable. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And it gets me. Well, opening drive still hasn't triggered. I'm surprised. Still short bias on the algo trader. Oh, yeah, no, I was going to say opening drive won't trade again. No, opening drive will trade again, definitely. And now we're waiting for our next trade. I did say I'm going to take a 2 lot. Am I in the wrong account? I think I'm in the wrong. No, I'm in the right account. But I did say I was going to take a 2 lot on the opening drive trade. And I like the spread between the upper band and the lower band. It's not really that big of a spread, so that's good. Keep the stop a little bit tighter. On the 1 minute, let's see if we can get 2 consecutive closes above the previous day high again. This is exactly what I was thinking. A little bit of a fake out below the previous day's high. And then we run for this 20,465. Let's break the US session highs. I'm telling on myself, that was an impulsive trade. Let me close the mic for a sec. I'd like to add at the 50% level there on the opening drive play, which is in the picture-in-picture. Let me open it up. At 20,400, that's really going to give me a good entry. I'm going to go in for 1 now. I'm okay with that. This again, and this is another 250K account. And then I'll put my look, if I'll add another one. So I'm at 409. It should be about 404. I think I can add another one. As much as wow, big rally in gold that I missed. I'm even thinking I could still add a little more. Wow, look at that, eh? 944.30. Is there news coming out? It's got to close below. I got to accept the trade. I was making a mistake a few times, not accepting the trades. That's funny. And we close, so I am out. Sell ask and sell ask. That's it. I'm out. We'll take it again tomorrow. But at least I only lost half. Opening drive, I can disable it now, so I don't have to think about it anymore. And now we can watch our algo here on the picture-in-picture chart. And for the manual trades, based on Algo Trader or based on my topstep system, I can take them on now any of my accounts. I can rotate. Right now, I am on the 250K account that took the opening drive trade for a 2-lot. I'm watching gold for a potential what? A potential retrace? I'm not sure. Pullback. A little bit seek and destroy there, eh, Mr. Market? Trade lower, take out the internal liquidity over here. Trade higher, take out the this high here, break the trend line, make it look like maybe we're going to be heading higher. Then a rug pull to take out these two lows. Tricky, tricky. I think, look at that, look at that, look at that. Wow, this is a contradiction here. Not sure what to do. I'm in a pickle. I'm in a pickle I'm going to take, and I'll tell you why. Because top step X is short and the algo is long. And I'm not crazy about taking trades that are in contradiction to each other. And I don't have a trend line, a rising trend line that we broke. So I don't even have 2 out of 3. I only have 1 out of 1 right now. One says short, one says long, and I prefer the top step X system, so I'm going to be watching for the short, and I hope I don't regret it. Going against the algo. Wow, it got me again. See, should have went with the algo. Let's see what the first trade. Oh, actually, the algo took already. We should track what the algo took. So the algo sold at 06 and covered at 94. That's 12 points. And then this trade here, I don't think it's going to exit. I don't think it poked through the take profit level. Well, anyways, we'll see when the candle closes. We got to wait. I have a short at 91 on top step. I'm short at 96, so that's not bad. My cover is at 05. 9 points. I like that. Let me try and add if I can. Don't screw me. Let's go down. Break lower. That's good. Got 7 points, 84. There is a 50% chance we trade down to 77. So I'm looking at the bid, 80 bid, 79, 78, 76. I'm taking it. Okay, one apex is a little whatever, and the second apex, well, how many it took in 06 for made 12 points, and now it's going to lose because we actually did trade below the stop loss line. So we'll lose 98, and we'll see where we cover. 12 seconds. You got to wait for the candle to close. Right, 612. Yeah, we're up 12. And now we're going to take about a 30-point loss. 66.98. That's a 32-point loss. Wow, that's one of the biggest losers I've seen in a long time. Looking at the 1 minute candle, this is what we usually do. We break the previous low by 10 points. We rotate higher. Break the previous low by 10 points. Rotate higher. Break the previous low. So, given that VWAP is there, I'm thinking for the moment in time right now, that's a low. Wood chip. Good morning, wood chip. Not a great morning so far, but I'm on track, doing what I should be doing. Algo Trader is down now. Opening drive lost. Algo Trader 66.32, and it was up 12. Algo Trader is down 20 points so far for the morning. I should write it down. I'm not using Trade of 8, but I did notice yesterday it was really fucking weird. Trade of 8 had a very large spread in Pine's stream. A point and a quarter. And I had Topstep X open at the same time, and the spread was 50 cents. But I hear Joker, and he's asking somebody about if his issues have resolved itself. So I'm not sure if he's talking about Trade of 8. So yeah, what chip? Maybe there are issues. How much closer do we need to go to get to the Asian session lows? Remember, 80% chance. I wrote that in chat even. I put my money where my mouth is. I wrote it in chat. 80% chance we are going back down to 330 today during the US session. Always remember, 80% chance is not 100% chance. Yeah, Joker's confirming that it's Trade of 8. What chip? It's like broken telephone. That's so funny. Oil didn't take profit, didn't get stopped out yet on its first trade, still watching. And with the 330, I think I will try another short if I get a signal. I'd like to see the algo go short, but the price action is not working out for that right now. I'm looking at the 5-minute charts, ES and NQ on the left side. They're pretty similar. I wouldn't say one is relatively stronger than the other. So nothing remarkable there. And we do have these two descending trend lines that we're watching, right? 1, 2, actually we have 3. We have a third one that we can tap into. Give us a little bit of insight to see if we're going to make another run up. Those two really intersect well. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have 3. Watching for the fourth one. And the algo trader could potentially be reversing. No, not reversing to a long bias. It never reversed to a short bias. So it's just would have had a second trade over there. but it doesn't take second trades. Let's go back to the split screen, breaking the first trend line. Algo still long. Top step. Top step still hanging on to the short. It's a little cold. I opened my window. Not a wise thing to do in the winter. Yeah, it's March. It's not winter, but yeah, this looks like we're going to go. But see, I can't take an impulsive trade here, even though we had a little bit of displacement with the fair value gap here and this bounce off the low, because we're bouncing back into previous day's high, and that is often an area that gets rejected. So we'll wait for a better setup. Better to trade a better setup with larger size than to Mickey Mouse. Let it break. Let it break higher. Show me that it's able to hold above previous day's high and above those descending trend lines. Let it form a bear flag or something. Give me a reason to get in. But I'm not chasing at this level. Those trades hurt me too much. That's what the market does. It runs to certain levels trying to psych people out. Okay, basically I got everything bullish right now, so that's I got the triple star set up. Actually, the 5-star setup. I don't got anything that's telling me short. Above VWAP, above previous day's open, above the trend lines, above the bands, algo trader long, top step X long. So, who would we say is in control? Buyers. Buyers are strongly in control right now. Can it reverse on a dime? Absolutely. Yeah, I saw what chip I heard. I had that happen to me yesterday. Wasn't for a large trade, but it was disturbing. I was scrambling. I got lucky. The markets didn't go against me. Let's at least get 25 before I take 2 off. Come on, we can get 25. And then let's make a run for the session highs and break that by 5 points, which means we can get to 433. So I'm going to hang for 433 on this 2 lot. Unless I get stopped out, but I'm going to hang out for 433. And my stop will be, it's at 19, I'm in at 16, so that's not bad. I have an 11-point stop. 11-point stop with about a 16-point TP. Yes, I'm out of the trade. We're coming up to 10 o'clock, and it's price action's getting jiggity, which means that there's news at 10 o'clock because the spread is rising to 2 points in top step X. That's enough to let me know that there's... It's funny, the spread doesn't change in gold, eh? It's not erratic at all. And look at it going 3 points now in NQ. What chip? I don't think David trades with Trade of 8. I think only Alex does. David uses...
Trade of 8's fucked, huh?
He does. He just said Trade of 8's fucked. I didn't know he used Trade of 8. There's the news. That's a... Yeah, it's being reported on Joker's channel. Woodchip's having a problem. Woodchip's stuck in a trade, I think. Yeah, I'm going to let a couple of minutes pass for the news to clear. You know what's funny is because I'm trading Ninja Trader through Trade of 8 and I'm not having issues. Isn't that funny? I mean, it's not funny, but odd. Maybe that's the right word. Isn't that odd? That I'm not having issues, even though it's through Trade of 8. I still don't have a trend line to the downside, so this could sort of be a support area here. Another kind of little fake out. This is what you want. I think if I break the high of the previous candle in the 1 minute chart, I'll take that as a long. Gold hung on. Took a small trade in gold, not a big one. Just a little dabble. I don't know why the spread got me for like 3 ticks when I exited, but so be it. Okay, coming up to VWAP. We're gonna have a VWAP kiss. I'm not a person who wants to trade around VWAP. I want to get a little distance from VWAP. I can't tell you how much pain I've suffered from VWAP. So I'm gonna go add to my coffee and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let me go see what's going on with Apex. Don't have my headphones on. I thought it was a little quiet. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Apex. Traders. Yeah, you're gonna have to contact them.
Bro, what?
No, they didn't post anything on Apex either. But anyways, send them right away. Send them right away. A help thing, you know, whatever you call it, a support ticket, a help ticket. Get that in right away. Okay, well, we've broken back over the previous day's high. 2 consecutive candles, and we've wicked below it a few times. But we haven't. Be quiet, Sparky. David, go send in your support ticket, eh? No, now.
Send myself the video so I can send it to them.
Don't wait for the end of the day.
So the file you're trying to share exceeds the attachment limit.
So you need to compress it or something. Anyways, just send them an email and tell them that you have video. And that the file's too large, you need to chop it up into pieces. But get them an email out right away.
Sparky, shut up. Shut up.
Okay, cool. I'm happy to see what I just saw. 26. That means we should see 33. At 33, I'll take off a 1 lot. Actually, I took it off now. I'm not going to tell you guys why, but I'm getting out of this trade. Algo trader never went short yet. Still hanging on to its long status. I want to see the markets come down. I don't want to break the US session highs. I want to get down to 330. Did it clear up for you, what chip? Wow, gold, you really got to hold. I catch trades and they really run. I got to just maybe trade smaller and let them go. To be honest with you, Woodchip, I forgot what I asked you. I don't remember if I asked you if the problem was fixed or if you're still stuck in the trade. Can you remind me? Because I think David's computer's cleared up. Were you still getting quotes, David, or everything froze? Oh, you weren't even getting quotes for a while? Wasn't just the order server, it was the quote server too. I logged into Tradeovate and closed it. Woodchip says he logged into Tradeovate to close his trade. Yeah. You can't have them both open at the same time. No way. I don't think so. I think that's a double connection. Oh, yeah. It's not a... I have to test that. I'm going to shut the volume here. Shut the volume here. Let me go into somebody's room and see. Trades by Matt. I think that's a good choice to see what people are saying. Where's Trades by Matt? Let's go see what people are saying about this. If he's live. Yeah, he's live, right? Yeah. Well, it's got a lot of subscribers. 233,000 subscribers. Well, obviously, I mean, I don't have to say this. I'm on another chat room, Dave. They're talking also here. Problems. Everybody, problems. Change to Sierra. Get your own thing. Get your own retail, not a retail, a private account. Rhythmic is doing fine. Anyone having problems with Apex connection today? Yeah, did you get that email out to them? Yeah, he's back up with Chip. He's back up, but he got caught on the wrong side of the mess. And wasn't able to exit his trade, wasn't able to put in his normal stops, nothing. I know topstep is really good with this. Volume is 551,000. I never mentioned it today. I just hope with whoever he's with, I forget who he's with. Tick, tick, take profit. I can never remember. Okay, well, the excitement is gone down. Range, 14 points on the 1 minute candles. Trending higher. I have a long entry at 33, but I'm long at 28, 5 points better. Let's get up to 40. At 40, I'll take a 1 lot off. Yeah, these numbers are small. I gotta get bigger. This trade should have been bigger. Yeah, it is what it is. Dave, I got my fingers crossed for you, man. I have no experience with them, I can't tell you. Who is it again? Tick, tick, take profit. Well, I told you we went to the Kellyanne website, no? The one that ranks the prop firms. And she oh, everywhere. It's all over. So yeah, I mean, like I said, with my experience, I don't think I've really ever heard a firm that doesn't take care of their customers when something like this happens. Apex at one point in the beginning was trying to claim, you know, there's platform issues with all the time, and that's real life, you know. But it's not really true. There are platform issues, but not like this. This doesn't happen in real life. It's like you have a second-class platform that they've created for the demo servers for all the prop firms, and I guess I don't know if I can say the sheer volume, because how can you say sheer volume? What's the sheer volume? I mean, the prop traders don't make up that much of the market. There's the whole other world out there. It's got to be a small percentage. I mean, single digits probably even. Yeah, we're getting up to the 40 there. That's where my profit target should have been. Should have been, could have been, would have been. I'm off now. My concentration has been broken. My desire to trade has been taken away. No kidding, eh?
website, nothing working, and then
Yeah, that was the no kidding I said to you, wood chip. Yep. Like I said, get that email out there, and
Bro, I didn't even like.
Mike's on, eh?
Yeah, it's okay. Order never went through.
3
minutes later, I get the notification order. I'm like, order. I go in my orders, no order. Like, oh, what?
Well, all your clicks were recorded, so they'll see that you were scrambling. All your clicks. That's the one thing that I liked about Ninja Trader. You can send in your clicks.
Yeah. Anyways, no order. And there's nothing there. I see nothing on TradingView. I go on Trade-Evate. I see I'm in a position. I try to exit. I try to refresh. Exit. I'm in short, so I try to buy one. No clicks are working. Nothing. Nothing. Absolute nothing was working. Kept refreshing for like 5-10 minutes, bro. And then it comes back. I'm down suddenly 2,500 apparently. That's my P&L.
You exited the trade.
Oh, there's no trade now. It's like as if it automatically locked me out.
Oh, I get you.
What?
Yeah.
Couldn't do anything.
Well, I hope it'll be done automatically. I hope they'll take care of you automatically and you won't have to kick and scream.
What the hell? I didn't do anything. Are you gonna tell me like, oh, it's too bad for you? I was thinking there's no trade. There's no trade for me to even manage, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I poorly managed it, but I couldn't even manage the trade. I don't know what you wanted. There's nothing else I could have done.
I think I will let this one run another 10 points if I can get to 50. I'll take 50 on this. So again, we got to break the US session highs. And I'll take a 50. Oh, there we go. We're beyond 50. Now my screen is in the way. 51.75 sell ask. Okay, so I got more than 50. I said I wanted to get 50 and I got more than 50. I'm happy with that, but I'm not happy again with my size. My size is just peanuts. ICT says he's walking away. No trades for this session. Tell him to come into my room. Tell him to come in and say hi. Tell him Futures Floor would love to do a meet and greet. He's on Telegram. I took Telegram off my computer, actually. I was following Tom Hugard on Telegram, but then he set himself up for a web presence. I don't know. He's a humble man. I don't see him caring on which channel he goes into. Seriously. You know, Patrick Whelan's only going to go into successful channels. I don't know. I see him as a go anywhere, do anything, don't give a shit kind of a guy. Actually, he should do it. He should walk around and go see channels. You trying to make me cough with your making me laugh? I'm not saying he was coming into it. I was just saying he should. I still have my my sight set on someone much bigger than ICT. If I would have gotten my channel rolling a little bit better, I would have started trying. Not only to come into the channel, but to actually sit here beside me.
Wow, that's pretty fucked.
Actually, also Canadian futures trader. I don't know if you know him. He lives not far from me, like 15-20 minutes away from me. I should put out word that I have an open door also for him. He can walk in anytime. Won't even need to ring the bell. I haven't checked. I remember, I don't know if James is still in the room. He was telling me that his website is down. It now links to, if you type in CanadianFuturesTrader.com, it links to a prop firm. Yeah, he lives in Lachine, Quebec. I live in Laval, Quebec. He's hop skipping away. Wow, I didn't know he was using a fake voice for. He did a faceless channel. He really succeeded with his channel. He did a faceless channel, and he didn't even use his real voice. It was only when he interviewed the John guy from, yeah. Yeah, that's just standard. That's not support contacting you. Yeah, that's also an automated reply. Yeah, what Chip said he tried, and hold on, let me read you. Damn it, it did it again. Froze after I entered. Now it's working. System is long at 40. I'm long at 38. I'm getting better prices today. Less risk. Well, we just noticed. The algo trader just went short biased. I went against the algo trader this morning once. I don't remember if I won or lost. Anybody remember? I hate going against it though. I really hate going against it, so I'm going to get out. The algo trader is just too accurate. And like I said, yes, it does lose, but it's just too accurate. Anybody new in the room, hit the like and subscribe. Get me out of the YouTube dungeon. It would be greatly appreciated. Takes a second. Put your mouse over it. You do the clicking. I do the rest. Twin trades. I got wrecked because of the trade evade issue. Yeah. Click the like button, guys. Make it look like what I'm doing here is a good thing. Ah, my mood is ruined. I got a lot of lines here, eh? Looks like Spider-Man, spiderweb. I think all these lower lines can go. I didn't even realize we broke them all. They're all invalidated. I got one, the steepest descending trend line, which could indicate potential for the top is in. The 10 o'clock reversal, did that come in? No, not really. We didn't really trend for that to be an issue. 12 points range on the 1 minute candles. We touched the IB high about 1 minute after the initial balance was formed. That was a fade trade. I always think the fade trades are better, but that's not a fade trade I would have taken. I'm stubbornly continuing to try and gold. Gold is hard to trade. There's a lot of air pockets. Gold doesn't trade from 3,030 to 3,040. You know, it doesn't go to 31, 32, 33. Just, I don't know, I just find it's a lot of holes in the trading. Just suddenly appears at a new price. And very hard to get filled on the offer and on the bid. What's the volume in gold anyways? Anybody know? I'll tell you. MGC 04, 80,000. Wow, that's pretty good. That's more than I thought it would be. Well, let's see if I can catch. So going against the algo trader would have been okay at this point. Looks like it's going to go and I forgot what that blue trend line was. I think it's on the okay, yeah. It's where selling came in the beginning of March, so my theory is that here at 20,465, 470, we should see some selling come back in the market. Like, that's a fade trade. I got to get rid of this line here. So now we're above the IB high, and we formed a bullish fair value gap. I need to put up a 1 minute chart on gold. I think it'll give me more clarity on the trades. I got a setup just now. You see it?
I took it for small on
Oh, you took it? Yeah.
took it for small on topstep. I made 568.
Wow, cool. You should have called it out. I only saw it late. Anyways, I mean, no big deal. Stay in your bubble. I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean, like concentrate on your stuff. I can put an alert. I can make an audio alert. It's not for you to tell me. It's not your job.
Not in the right headspace.
No, it's not that. It's not. I don't need to put that on your shoulders, ever. I'll just code in an audio alert.
So we hope they're gonna fix it for me.
That was a loss in gold. I hope I didn't buy the high, cover at the high. Well, I'm still not taking my top step trades. That's so weird. I even wrote it down. There was a few good ones here. Let me see. Let me tell you. 9:30 is about here. Where? 30. Boom, 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 boom. A little pinball. Small loser. And then a winner. Just 2 trades. Okay, so what was I saying? So the algo switched to long. Well, for me, the good news is the coffee's good. That's my good news for the day. Oh, and I didn't cough. I'm going to get a good coffee from Second Cup. And I am going to do some coding today. Wow, gold just ran up right after my short by $2 and stopped like the market closed. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. So we have a rebalance, not rebalance. Yeah, we have a rebalance coming. Initial balance retest. And this level here really didn't act as anything, eh? Well, you know what? That's a big level there. It's on a 30-minute chart. I wouldn't say it didn't act as anything. We can go as high as 520 and then trade lower. I mean, we can even go a little higher than that. Even as high as 575 and then get knocked down. These areas are not, in my opinion, exact prices. I'm confident it'll get worked out. Let's see gold break lower by $2. But believe you me, I understand your stress. I know it 100%. And for you, for the situation that it happened the way it happened for you, with the recovery, it's even worse. You know, you put in all that, it's not blood, sweat, and tears, it's emotional fortitude and strength and courage to get where you got. And then to have it erased by a glitch in the matrix. Anyways, they'll fix it. Don't take any more trades on that account. Yeah, I'm confident they'll fix it. I'd like to say 100%. But I can't say 100% because I don't have experience with that company. Wow, I'm happy. I actually have a gold trade that's working. I'm seeing I can at least get another 80 cents on this, I would think. I'll put in my buy limit at 32.4. Like I said, I don't know. I don't have experience with... I know Apex has no problems doing it. Only way back in the beginning they used to try and claim, platform issues happen to everybody. We're not responsible for it. They all have that in their contracts. They're not responsible for platform issues. But when there's a wide outage like this, and a lot of times, when there's a wide issue, they take care of it. Topstep has no problem. They do it right away. And Apex does it right away also now. Apex, there's never a problem with Apex now. Yeah, no, Apex clears these issues up really quickly. And it's a very competitive world out there in the prop space, so I'd be surprised if the company that David's with doesn't do anything. I'll really like my gold position if we can get down to 32.7. It's only $1 away. Now it's 60 cents away. Come on, let's get there. 60 cents. 50 cents. Gold, 50 cents is nothing. What's 50 cents on a $3,000 bar of gold? $0.40. There we go. Fill me. Look at that. A winning trade in gold. I'm the man. There's a lot of potential in gold. I just got to figure out how to trade it. Because it moves. I forgot about you. I forgot about you. I would have had two losers there. I wouldn't have done anything spectacular today. Looks like boom. If I open it up, I think if the algo was trading it, no. It would have had, well, wait, let's open it up. Not two losers. Here's a loser at 10. Then we had a winner. Hard to see. It's possible we entered here and had a winner. If not, there was no trade, and then we'd be waiting for the next one. We'll just watch. Oh, Algo Trader's going to go long. Let me try and turn my other account green. I don't even know which one it is. Hopefully by the time I figure it out, I'll get a better price instead of a worse price. Let me see. It's long at 86. I got an... and what, a quarter second there to get filled? Come on. 83. I could have had 10 points already. I could have had $100 in an instant. Okay, it is what it is. Oh, wait, it's coming back. This is bad trading. Yep. I'm out. I'm out. Well, no, I'm not out yet. I put a limit order. It's bad trading because I chased. I have an entry, but I chased. I actually even have an order in to fill me at 83.50. But because I didn't get filled, I chased it like 6 points higher. And that's why I said it's bad trading. Give me my price or don't take. Actually, my price now is right at the fair value gap, so it's possible we dip into it. Target on this trade, which is coming up very rapidly, is about 97. I think at 92, 93, this trade is dead for me. Actually, I think this trade is dead for me already. I'll take a small 2-lot. Yeah, I am. 78.75. My stop loss is 75.75. Look at that, 3 points if we get below it. On the other hand, I kind of do have to wait for the candle to close, so it's really not my stop. And yesterday I didn't wait for the candle to close, and the candles recovered, and it cost me like overall about 10 points. I'll lower my risk on it. I'll only have a 1-lot. Let's see if we can get up to 97 before we get down to, I don't know, about 76. Somewhere in that world. And I think after this trade I'm done because I gotta go. I gotta go. So I'll let this trade play out. And it went short. So looky. I got to get out without any damage. The algo switched to a short bias. Well, it didn't get stopped out yet. Okay, there it got stopped out. I'm not going to close my computer though. I'm going to let it continue to run. I'm going to shut down the stream, but I'm going to let it continue to run because I do want to see how the algo trader does. Algo trader bought at 86, sold at 78. That's an 8-point loss.
There's no order. I wasn't even able to put a stop loss. There's no order there for me to put it.
8-point loss, 12-point win. That's +4. So there's only 3 trades today, and then this big loser, which had bought at 98 and sold at 66, which is, let's see, 70, 28. So it's down 28 points today.
It's not me. It's trade evade.
I took one more small trade in gold. I still have a minute. Let's see if I can get $1.50 out of this. If I can get $1.50 out of this, my day will end not bad. There, I covered a 2 lot. Look at the recovery, babies. I said $1.50, right? It's at, I'm short at 2.1. It's at 1.3. I got my finger on the buy bid button. Let's just get under 1. Let's get to 30.30. It's probably going to go to under 30.20, but let's get to 30.30. 30.30, 31. Come on, 30.9. There you go. 0.8. Let me see 0.8 one more time. Fuck you, I cover. Okay, down $16. Not bad. Oh shit, now I got to trade. Having a good time here. It's like an arcade. Only for a 2 lot I'll take it. But I have a trade on topstep. I'm not taking it on topstep, but let's go. Let's get up to, I have to see, 68 plus 14, 82. 80. We got to get up to 82 and hold. We're at 80, 81, 82. I saw it, but didn't hold. Didn't hold. So you know what? I'm going to sell one because we got up there. And then I'll hold my other one. I love it. I made a comeback, and not only did I make a comeback, I made a comeback following my rules and taking valid setups. And gold was nice to me. Now gold is at 29.70. Come on, let's get up to 82, because we get up to 82, we're going to go to 89, and then I'm going to cover at 89, and well, we're not going to get to 89, but we have a high probability. We just got to get to 82 and hold. 80, 50, 81, 81, 82, 50. It held. There we go. Now I can put my take profit at 89. Sell limit. Doesn't mean it'll go there, but there's a 70% probability it'll go there. And that'll end my day green if we can hit it. Come on, be nice to me, Mr. Market. $82, I'm long at 76. Really? Well, anyways, if I lose, I'll lose like 14 bucks on this trade. Given where I was, and the thing is, here's the thing, I don't want to trade the balance. I don't want to trade it just to be green. So I'm going to let the trade play out. Because that's another habit I got to break, trading the balance. But then again, it's not just the balance, it's the psychology. The psychology of seeing it green, right? I agree. Or am I just trying to convince myself? Anyways, now it's not an option anyway since it's red. 82, around 75 I can kind of add. Can't you change the setting to show ticks instead of dollars? Ticks? Ah, yeah. No, it's not those dollars. It's the dollars that I'm trading inside the account summaries to make it green. To be green on the day. There we go. We're green on my 2 Apex accounts. I'll bring them to the top. One of them was down 100 and it was down, I think, 200 and something. I don't even remember. Might have even been down 300 and something. Like I said, I switched accounts. I have a 500 PDLL on these accounts because they're 250K accounts. I just got to be making more money. I see, but I don't know. I ended up in drawdown, so I couldn't really push it. Anyways, I got to get going. So I will be back tomorrow at 9:15. I won't be streaming at 6. And that's it. That's all. Thanks for showing up. Hit the like button. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe.